Hello everyone! Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art today, where we're about to dive into the world of happiness with our adorable bluebird drawing. Bluebirds are the ultimate symbol of joy and good tidings, and we're going to capture all that fluffy cuteness right here on our canvas. So grab your supplies, folks, and let's get started on this fun and quirky art adventure. To begin, make a big swooping curve at the top of your canvas. Now, imagine our little bluebird friend standing in awe right there. In the middle, add a tiny beak and two tiny curious eyes perched right on top of it. Our bird is already looking cute, isn't it? Next, let's add some feathery details. Sketch in a plump right wing and a left wing. And don't forget a feathery tail at the back. Our bird is as plump as can be, just like the happiness it symbolizes. Now let's give our bluebird a special touch. Place a leaf stem gently in its beak, like it's carrying a message of warmth and joy. This little guy is practically radiating positivity. For the background, add some leafy goodness all around. Imagine our bluebird perched on a wooden log, just like in a storybook. To set the stage, toss in some flowing leaves. It's like our bird is part of a magical, happy forest. Now comes the fun part, coloring. Grab your vibrant blues and color in our bird. Let's make it as blue as the sky on a perfect day. For the beak, add a happy splash of orange, and the cute abdomen gets a warm and perfect hue of yellow. As for the autumn leaves in the background, you get to choose your favorite colors. Orange, yellow, brown, reds, it's all up to you. Make it your masterpiece. And voila! Our vibrant bluebird is ready to spread happiness and joy wherever it goes. I hope you had a blast creating this masterpiece with me. If you enjoyed this fun and quirky art journey, don't forget to hit that like button. And be sure to subscribe to Easy Peasy Art Today for more delightful art adventures. Until next time, keep spreading joy through your art. Happy drawing, everyone!